Boy, this next one looks a little tricky. It's up in there. The top of it is still there, so I can push that up. I'm pretty sure I can. I wonder if I should step on this this heater over here. I was trying not to have to do that. Boy. Okay. I guess I'll have to. Think light on my feet, I guess. That's how we're gonna do it. Like that about there. Look on the other one, because the other one's still here, so I'm holding it about the same height as that, and I'm gonna nail it in here. There it is. Hey. You know, this is the same thing a plumber would do if he was doing this for you. Other than the fact that when he got done, he'll be sending you a bill for his time and labor to fix this. Oh, I don't know, 150 bucks, maybe. And it cost you $3.50 per strap, and we got 4 straps, and that's all it's going to cost you if you do it yourself. Okay? Whew. Now, are you starting to get the theory? If you do things on your own, you can start saving some money. See that one there? That was the old one. Behind it, I pushed that one up as tight as possible. And here we got these 3 pieces right here. And I've got one more to go right there. Okay, let's see what I can do with this one. See, I wanted to put the bracket on the same side. I don't want to put it on the back side. This is going to be harder for me to nail into, plus you're not going to be able to see it. And if I put it on this side here, it's going at an angle. And it's probably best to take this off. But on the other hand, you know, there's a gas line on this side as well. And that's going to kind of pooch that out just ever so slightly. Maybe I'll keep it and reach up from the other side. I think I'll do that. I'll have to crawl over there somehow. I guess I can do that. Let's just crawl over right here, I guess. dokie. Pull that out of there. I just push that up tight to that, knowing where I need to go. Okay. Something like right there. Boy, I think I can get it. I think I can get it. Run my hammer sideways here. There. Okay. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. And I'm getting dirty. No wonder plumbers charge so much. They get dirty. Okay. Okay. Keep coming. Come on. There it is. Okay. That looks pretty good. Do I have to cut this off? No, I don't, but I'm going to go ahead and cut it off just because I cut the other ones off. And that is a good way to save. How much did we just save by doing that? Those 4 straps? Probably, I'm going to guess, in the neighborhood of $125. Okay? You don't have to be a plumber to do that. It was a good thing we were able to get in underneath the floor and check that out. Now if you have a crawl area where you can walk under there just like I did, you can check out some of your pipes the same way. Because when I came in here, the first thing I always do when I come into a crawl area, and this, look how high this crawl area is, by the way, so nice up here. I noticed that right off, and I thought, well, I guess that's something I need to help my friend with right there. See how these other straps are? That's nice there. Okay. And check it out. I should have looked, but see, there's one right back in there that's broken. That one right there snapped off, but see, there's another one right there, and that one's okay. And there's another one right there. Those are fine. You know, I mean, you could really go wild underneath your floor and start checking all kinds of things out. You know, here's another thing. See, this is air conditioning ducting, and it's gotten old, and look how brittly it is. Here's your insulation that's wrapped around a flexible duct, and it's coming apart, isn't it? Look at that. Look at that piece right there. This is where the air return duct comes back into the unit. These are all the air supplies that come out of this side. That's the hot air, but this is sucking in hot air from inside the house. Look at this pipe back here. See that? That's the flexible plastic pipe inside the insulation wrap and the plastic, and it's come all apart. You know, how are they going to fix that? Well, they could wrap that and kind of pull it back and then thread it with a couple, well, not a couple nails, but quite a few different nails. If you have enough overlap, you can pull them together and just kind of weave it back and forth and tie it together. And if that's too short, you can get insulation wrap that's maybe a foot wide and a roll of it maybe 25 feet long or longer, and you can wrap it. That's kind of what they did on these joints. See the yellow insulation right there? There's a joint right there because there's a Y there. See, there's one duct here, and then it tapered and it goes out in both directions. That's called a Y. and this is metal right there. So they wrapped it with the insulation and then put a strap on it right there and attached it up here. Okay, so see, that is something that really needs to be attended to. We never would have found that had we not have decided to fix this pipe. Now see how nice this pipe looks now? Strap, 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 strap right there. We got it fixed. Nice, way to go. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.